Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you about the lift to ear to Mac calls on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, just click on the search bar and search for the lift to ear. Okay, there is no lift to ear, but let's check the convenience tools. Okay, so here is the convenience tool, just move on it. Let's check on the down. There is something convenience management, convenience, everything is there. Gestures and motion left to ear. So let's check on convenience tools. Okay, so here you are going to find the navigation, gesture and motion, screenshot, screen recording, accessible, quick return bubble, smart spider or sidebar, split screen. So from here, if anyone you don't know, then you can ask me. Okay, so this is the navigation. Navigation is for the, suppose this is the on the down is the button. Okay, just click on the first option. Here the button has been removed and the slide gesture has been came activate. Okay, this one. Okay, so if you click on virtual buttons, the button has came, it has been activated. See, this is the layout button. You can change it. The back button will be on the right and the on the left side. Okay, see. So if you want to click this more, then this is the more about the gestures. If you want to know more about the gestures. Okay, so let's move on. Back button and click on visual buttons. Then now let's click on the gesture and motions. So if you want to allow this gesture and motion to your contact, just click on allow. It will be activate. Okay, so I'm not allowing, just cancel it. So this is the screenshot. There are many types of screenshot. Okay, see, the slide finger screenshot, the slide three finger screenshot. See, I had slide three finger screenshot and it has captured some pic. Okay, if you don't like this one, you want to off, just click on this icon, it will be the off. Okay, so it says here three finger touch and hold, three finger touch and hold, the screenshot will be taken. Okay, so see, this it has changed, right? You can take this screenshot like this also. Okay, and here it says the power and volume button. So power and volume button, you know only what is it. Okay, so this one is the power and volume button. If you want to on, you can on, and if you want to off, you can off it. Okay, this is the delete original image after editing. If you want to activate this one, that this is the screenshot, and if you want to delete the original one after editing, just activate this one automatically, image delete. Okay, and here is the screenshot sound. If you want to activate, you can activate, and if you want to deactivate, you can deactivate it. Okay, so friends, here it's about all, and if you like the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. But friends, this white one, if you don't know about this one, you just ask me on the comment section what is it and what it is useful for. Okay, if you don't know about this and if you have this problem on your mobile phone, you can ask me about this and I will solve that problem. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.